Hello everyone, welcome to GeekerMag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to unsubscribe unwanted emails in Gmail just by making few clicks. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe the channel. Once you are inside Gmail, on the left side click on More. Now you will find Manage Subscription option. On the right side, you will get a list of sender that you have subscribed intentionally or unintentionally. All you need to do is look for the sender that you want to unsubscribe. I want to unsubscribe all, so simply click on the unsubscribe button next to each sender. Unsubscribe dialog will appear with the message that you will no longer receive email from this sender as well as sender email. Click on the unsubscribe button. Make note of the email as this will help later in the tutorial. It is possible that in some cases you will see this kind of message. For these senders, you need to head over to their website and unsubscribe from there or block the sender. And you are done. You need to keep in mind that it can take few days for stop receiving the emails from these unsubscribed senders. Although this feature is nifty, there is one problem with this feature. It won't delete the emails that you have received already. In that case, this is what you need to do to delete previous emails. When this dialog box appears, note down the email of the sender like I said earlier. Like this is the email in my case. Click on the filter icon. In the from field, type or copy paste the email. Then click create filter. Click on the apply the label and from the drop down select new label for the sender name. For example, this or whatever you want. Check the box for also apply filter to matching conversations and create filter. This will create the new label with same name. Under it, you will find all the emails from same sender. Click on this box, then click select all and then hit delete button. Just like that, you can delete previous emails from other senders as well. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.